Read. Cordon's wake. It's a cordon's wake, I believe. Cast and bottom bumping. This is a Kissler Helium 3 and Daiwa Tatura Type R. This is over 10 years old, I believe. The gear ratio is 8.1. Super high gear. For this type of styles, a super high gear would be preferable because we need to quickly reel in the line slack. That's why I'm using this reel today. Well, line is too tangled. Line tangled. Okay. That's. Deps Barbute. Nice one. Oh yeah. That's over there. Okay. Yes. Deps Barbute. Really not bad. Yes. Hey, nice. Bye. Yes. It's not that bad condition today, but it's slow. I think it's because so many anglers. Yeah, many anglers. Many families enjoy fishing. That's good. But super duper heavy pressure. And today I'm targeting only big ones. So I don't bring my finesse spinning tackle. I don't have spinning tackle. I don't have any plan to use neck rig, drop shot rig. I'm pretty much sure if I use them, my arsenals, for sure. I've caught tons of fish already. I'm pretty sure. But anyway, my focus today is let's catch big ones using bait casting tackle. Come on. The brand Deps is well known as a big bass hunter. I hope I can catch big ones. Come on, 2-pounders. Come on, 3-pounders. This is big one. Okay. Wow. Could be 5. Could be 5-pounder. No. Be careful. Okay, got it. Yes! Deps Barbute! Really good. Hey. Wow. Yes. 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 Deps Barbute free rig. I think this is 4.5 pounder. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Yes. Okay, Deps Barbute with a free rig. This made my day. It was great. Yeah, it was a big one that I wanted to catch. Whew. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and community. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. More to come. See you in the next video. Bye bye.